YouTube. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fun and good in your life. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to earn money from Dailymotion. Dailymotion is significant to make money online with the help of sharing videos through social media. It can find millions of videos with new and existing content with higher quality. These are There are many videos played on the market. This provides the best viewing experience for all users regardless of environment. So what are the methods through which you can earn money through online Dailymotion? Number 1. Psychology of the audience is predominant. Making a video is a great deal in a Dailymotion as it depends upon the title and topics you choose to make a video. Users focus on these topics which are high on trend and those topics which our audience are willing to look at. You need to learn about trending issues and let your audience relate to them. Second method, how to monetize Dailymotion channel. Monetization of the website gives everyone the opportunity and chance to share the revenue the advertisement generates. Before submerging a Dailymotion video or Dailymotion widget on one site, you can earn money every time someone sees an ad delivered to this video. Third method is to earn from Dailymotion, how to work with trending videos. You really can be relieved if you work on a trending topic, so you think you will make it till the end. As working with modern subjects demand consistency, to work with trending topics, you need to select the video from a country. It is the video title or maybe the issue, and you can later make a video using it as reference. There are 9 realistic ways to earn from Dailymotion. You can earn simply follow these steps with no further discussion if you want to know about earning money on your Dailymotion channel. Number 1. Website monetization to earn from Dailymotion. Website monetization builds everyone the opportunity to share in the revenue these advertisement generates. For example, embedded Dailymotion videos are the Dailymotion widget on one of your sites and earn income every time. Second one is earn on Dailymotion for video monetization. Dailymotion provides many videos within stream advertisements and ads that appear before, during or after videos. Starting video monetization allows you to share in the revenue these advertisement generates. Affiliate marketing to earn from Dailymotion. Affiliate marketing is an advertisement-based model in which a company recoups third-party publisher to generate traffic or lead to the company's products and services. This commission or allowances fee inspires affiliate to find ways to assist the foster the company. Using Patreon. The most precise perceived means would be a page like Patreon, where followers can set up comfort membership in exchange for content and few benefits. Here you offer them access to enter the exclusive content in your creative process. In return, you get the ability to do your best work and the ability you need to enhance an independent creative career. Merchandise to earn money from Dailymotion. On a good note, though you do not need millions of subscribers to start earning a side income from the idea of merchandise here. Use blogging platform to earn from Dailymotion. Furthermore, the set and forget or hands-off approach is another way of attaching ads to your videos and earning revenue. Some blogging platforms such as WordPress or Blogger allow you to embed your daily motion video in post and put your banner ads on your page. Advertisement on Dailymotion. The three types of ad that Dailymotion serve are before the video, during the video, and after video. Branding to earn from Dailymotion. You need more reviews to make more money on Dailymotion, as uploading video on your Dailymotion channel is not enough. Try your best to create a Dailymotion channel with brand name like TV, T-Series, etc. Then simply add banner photos for your branding. Earn by selling Dailymotion channel. You can sell your Dailymotion channel, as I have seen many people sell their accounts to experienced channel users. If you are a good content creator, you need to contact them and buy their account. Now I will give you some tips for editing Dailymotion videos. If you have ever watched, downloaded or uploaded videos on the Dailymotion platform, you obviously need to edit them timely. This application has an extensive range of features, as it operates more than 150 file formats, so you can comfortably check whatever you want to redesign and the cost. How do you get paid on Dailymotion? Getting paid on Dailymotion demands adding your banking information. The earned revenue will be automatically transferred to your bank account when your balance is outstrip $100. Moreover, you can also track your earned income and credit via analytics and view your payments. Be aware of inappropriate contents. Dailymotion provides a pretty good experience to its online viewers. It does not moderate the content, but note that Dailymotion users and viewers can report inappropriate content. Inappropriate content is a great deal to solve, as it includes images, videos, and content that might degrade your child's mental health. Therefore, one should immediately report the content if it is not appropriate. So guys, these are the different ways through which you can monetize your channels and earn money through online. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.